In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Notion for personal, school, or work use. We'll go through a simple setup that helps you build a clean, useful workspace from the beginning, so Notion feels organized instead of overwhelming. If you're brand new to the platform, don't worry. The goal here is not to make everything perfect right away, but to create a practical system you can actually use every day. Start by opening Notion on your computer or in your browser. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, create one and complete the basic setup. Take a moment to get comfortable with the layout. Notion can do a lot, but at its core, it's just a flexible space where you can store information, plan your work, and keep everything in one place. Once you're inside, create a workspace that matches how you plan to use Notion. This could be for personal life, school, or work. Think of your workspace as the container that holds everything else. Giving it a clear purpose from the start will make it easier to stay organized later. Keep the structure simple at first so you can build on it over time. Next, create a main homepage that will act as your dashboard. This is the page you'll come back to most often, so it should give you a quick overview of what matters most. A good dashboard helps you move through Notion faster and keeps your most important areas easy to reach. You can think of it as your control center. After that, begin adding the core pages you'll need. Create pages for tasks, notes, calendar, projects, and resources. These pages give your workspace a clear structure. Tasks can help you track what needs to get done. Notes can hold ideas and information. A calendar can support planning. Projects can organize larger goals. And resources can store useful reference material. Try to name each page clearly so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Now, start using databases for organized lists, especially for things like tasks or notes. Databases are one of the most powerful parts of Notion because they let you sort, filter, and structure information in a way that stays neat as it grows. This makes your system much easier to manage over time than create different views that help you look at the same information in useful ways. Table view is great for detailed organization. Board view works well for workflow. Calendar view helps with scheduling. And list view is ideal when you want something clean and simple. Finally, start adding information and updating your setup regularly. The best Notion setup is one that evolves with how you actually work. Keep using it, adjust what isn't helpful, and refine it as your needs become clearer.